It's a 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. This is more than a sports car. It's a vehicle that evokes the intensity and drama of the racetrack. 2019 sport a new look, engine and infotainment system thanks to a full redesign. It comes with all the amenities you need. Twin-turbo V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, and integrated navigation system. This is more than a sports car. It's a vehicle that evokes the intensity and drama of the racetrack. Experience it for yourself today.
Napleton's Aston Martin of Downers Grove is equipped to handle all of your automotive need. Come visit us today at 217 Ogden Avenue in Downers Grove, Illinois. We also have a location on North Clark Street in Chicago.